Hi guys, thanks so much for watching. We are doing a fall decorate with me today, and I love that you guys are into these seasonal videos because honestly they are so much fun to film. I love doing something like a little bit different every now and again. So we're going to start out with a haul so I can show you guys everything I got, where it's from, and then we're going to get into the decorating. A lot of you guys have been asking me if I would link what I'm wearing in the description box, so I'm going to do that in this video because I just got this top and this skirt, and this top is less than $15 and the skirt is less than $20. I know it's not like the most like fun and interesting outfit, but I mean, I feel like it's really good basics for fall for really good prices. So, oh, this also is a collab with Paige Danielle. If you guys are not familiar with her, honestly, she is the cutest thing in the world. She has a southern accent and I'm just like obsessed with her voice. And we film videos on a lot of the same topics, but from way different perspectives because our styles are so different. So I think it'll be really cool for you guys to watch this from her style and from my style, and then you can mix and match or pick one, whatever you want to do. So I'll have her video down below. Definitely check her out. And of course, thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. If you are new, I would love it if you would subscribe, hit the like button for more fall videos, and definitely the bell so you never miss an upload. And let's get started. All right, so I pulled everything out of the bags and I found some really good stuff. And I always like to unwrap things before I share with you because I feel like it's just so annoying for you guys to like hear wrapping and rustling every 5 seconds. And by the way, I am filming this video in stages. I just don't have enough time to film it in one day. I wish I did. So if my hair or my makeup or my accessories are different, that's why whenever I have to split up filming, I always try and wear like the same exact thing, but sometimes I forget and it just has been such a busy few days. So yeah, the very first thing is from Hobby Lobby, and no, it's Home Goods. See, I'm all over the place. The very first thing is from Home Goods. I found these flowers. These were $9.99 for one bundle, so $20 for the set, and I just thought those were so beautiful. They look like really vibrant on camera. And then I also found a tray. I'm going to use this as a centerpiece on the dining table, I think for $22, which I think is a really good deal because I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but like this is so big, and I thought the handles were really beautiful and definitely had a fall feel. When I shop for a lot of fall decor, I definitely want it to feel fall, but I don't want it to like scream fall, if that kind of makes sense. I don't know. And the next guy is a pumpkin. This was $19.99 and it was from Home Goods. I think I'm going to put these on the kitchen counter. And again, it like is obviously fall being a pumpkin, but it isn't like an orange pumpkin. It has like a modern feel to it. So I thought that was really cute, and it was only $20, so I think the price for something that big is really good. And then I got a candle from Target. This one is Autumn Leaves. And it does have a little bit of like a citrus element to it. And whenever I talk about a candle that I like, I feel like I always say it has a hint of citrus. I don't know, I just really love like fresh scents. I'm not a foodie scent person when it comes to candles. So like pumpkin pie, like I love pumpkin pie, but I don't want a candle that smells like pumpkin pie, or like pumpkin spice, all of those things. If it's like very foodie, I really don't like it. And then I did get a bunch of these smaller ones. And this actually has an orange scent, but I thought the colors were perfect. It's almost like an ombre. It starts as a light orange, it goes to a darker orange. I bought two that are this size and then one that's a little bit taller, and I think I'm going to use these in that centerpiece I was talking about. Something I really wanted were pumpkins that were black and white like this, and I actually saw them at Hobby Lobby when I did that Hobby Lobby fall shop with me a few weeks back. I'll put a card up here if you haven't seen it, but they were sold out of them, and I was so bummed because at all three stores I looked for a black and white pumpkin or like a pattern like this, and I didn't find a single thing. So I'm just going to settle for a runner. This was $15.99 from Hobby Lobby, but I'm pretty sure everything was 40% off like it always is, so less than $10, and it says it's 13 inches by 72 inches. I also purchased a ribbon in the same style from Hobby Lobby, $3.99. And I don't know if I'm going to tie some bows or something with this, but I definitely will find a place for it. I don't know, sometimes I really don't have like a specific idea of what I want to do, but I just find things that I really like and go with them. So yeah, that definitely is what I did with that stuff. I couldn't find the pumpkins, so I just found something else. And then I also purchased a bunch of this stuff from Hobby Lobby. So these are obviously like very fall, and they almost have like that Halloween feel to them, but they are sparkly pumpkins, bright orange. I just wanted something that was like really on trend, or not on trend, but just like very fall, like 100% fall. And then I found these, and I think it's an acorn, right? And they have like a sparkly hue to them. So those are also for the centerpiece. And then I kind of want to go back for these because I just think these are so adorable. And it's only one bundle. This was $9.99, but again, I'm pretty sure everything that was like fall was 40% off. I really want to do a fall decorate with me for our front door. Let me know if you guys want to see that. I think that'd be such a cute video. I love like the mums and all like the fall plants and stuff that you can put outside, but I think something like this, even for like an outdoor thing, would be really cute. And then I found this huge guy, and this was a little pricey. This was $24.99, but also on that sale discount. And I'm going to pull these off for the centerpiece, and I might stack them. I really couldn't pass this up because I feel like a lot of fall decor items, they really have like that farmhouse feel, which I'm not super into. But I don't know, I thought this was like a modern take on that. I also found 12 of these votive candles, and I plan on scattering these around that centerpiece. I was looking for like risers. I don't know if you call them risers, but like something I could set this on top of. And I couldn't find anything for a small candle like this, so we're gonna make it work. And then if one thing screams me, but it still has like a fall decor feel, it totally is this pumpkin, you guys. I thought this was the prettiest thing. Again, I think this is going to go on the kitchen counter. This was $19.99. It is hollow on the inside, and it's just so pretty. It's like very simplistic, but totally feels my style. So this is probably one of my favorite things from this whole haul. And the last guy is this fall sign from HomeGoods. This was $19.99. It just says fall with a pumpkin on it. And again, it does have like a little bit of a modern feel to it. I don't know where I'm going to put this, but we will find a place. And I really don't have any fall decor from previous years. At least I don't think I do. I couldn't find any, and I feel like I really haven't had time until this year to decorate for fall with like new items. So I did buy a lot of stuff, but I'm kind of like starting from scratch really. So yeah, I'm just so excited. So let's put all this stuff together and see what I figure out. When I do projects like these, I typically will scroll through Pinterest and look for ideas, see what everybody else is doing. But for this one, I really just went with it, and I just picked up whatever I liked and I put it all together a few different ways because I am one of those people that I have to see what all of my options are. I will do the same thing a million different ways so I can see which way I like the most. So it's almost funny watching this back because so many things I started doing are not at all how I ended up. If any of you guys are like that, let me know so I know I'm not alone. And for this arrangement, I did start out a lot of different ways, but I ended up putting those acorns in the very bottom, and it looks so pretty. When the light hits the acorns, they sparkle. And just for a centerpiece, I love small touches like that you don't really notice until you're sitting there. I just think it makes something look so much more interesting. And I just wrapped a hair tie around them, and then I wrapped the ribbon around it. And I feel like I always have hair ties on my wrist. I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate to that too. So instead of tape or like a rubber band, I just used a hair tie, and then I put down the runner, and it was the perfect size for our table, 72 inches. And I actually was super happy about that because when it isn't hanging over the edges, I do think it looks a little more modern, which you guys know I like. I will be doing a walkthrough at the end of this video so you guys can see all the decorating, like really up close, all the details. I'll talk about it and all that good stuff and show you guys a little more. But for now, I wanted to leave it speed style because so many of you enjoy speed style, and I do too. I love seeing a project that's a larger project finished in a short amount of time. I just feel like it's a little more inspiring that way, at least for me. And I did end up switching this arrangement around a few different ways, but I wanted to leave this in here so you guys get another idea. And moving on to the kitchen now. I feel like I'm always showing you guys this spot, but it really is like the only spot in the kitchen I decorate regularly because I'm just not an excess person. I like out what I need and what to use on a regular basis, and then a few things that are fun and cute, but at that point I don't want a whole lot of excess. So this pretty much is the only spot that I like to switch up. I did pull out those pink flowers as you guys saw, and now I'm going to put in these fun fall colors. And I absolutely love having so much white in my kitchen, you guys, because I'm such a pop of color person. I know I'm always saying that, but I just love how much these stand out in this corner. I also decided to create a candle tray instead of using those on the centerpiece, and I really recommend this because I just think it's so easy. If you have friends over and you want to put it on your coffee table in your living room, then you can do that. Put it on the dining table. Wherever you put it, it always looks like it's supposed to be there, so I love that about things like this. And then I did end up tying that ribbon on the arrangement in the kitchen, wrapping it in a bow, and it was good to go. So it's actually the next day now. Everything turned out so cute. I thought, like, for a second I was like, should I put that outfit back on so everything is cohesive in this video? And then I'm like, I don't care. But I wanted to show you guys like all the details, everything up close, and honestly everything turned out really cute. I love that it's stuff I can use for like several years, so I feel like it all was a really good investment. And I don't know, I just think they look really nice. Like, they took way longer than they actually did, which is always the best. So yeah, I just want to do a little rundown and get your opinion on the pumpkins. Here's that corner in the kitchen. Hopefully the lighting, there we go, will adjust. And I just think this looks so pretty. And for the bow, I actually just have a double knot there, and then I wrapped the loops on either side. And when I do a fall decor item, I typically will cut the opposite way. So like for holidays, a lot of people will cut it like this way, but I think it has a really nice fall look when you cut it the opposite way. And it's just so pretty and vibrant in that corner. I love how much it stands out. And here is the candle tray. I did put a few extra like flowers and these little guys on there, and I think it looks really cute. And I noticed that having this right here really does pull like the copper rose gold shade out of the hardware and out of the sink and all of that, especially in person. I feel like it's a little dark right now on camera, but I don't know, I just feel like it really pops, like having this and then the hardware, it all kind of like pulls together. And I put this fall sign right here in the kitchen. I'm thinking I probably will put these somewhere else because I don't know, that's just like a lot of stuff in one spot for me, but so adorable. I love how simplistic that is. And here is that centerpiece for the dining table. And by the way, I did order the new chairs last night. Finally, I just haven't had a chance. So I think this all looks really cute. And this tray for $22, like that is just such a good deal. So pretty, something we will have forever. And then when we are sitting at the table, these acorns, like I feel like they just show so much better. It's kind of hard to tell with the bow in front of it from far away, but sitting down at the table having dinner, they just like sparkle and shine and look really pretty. And we have so many of these tea candles that are left over, but I think they're just really good to have on hand. And I said this already last night or in like the first part of this video, but I wrap these really tight because I think it gives it a little more of a modern look. So I just put these pumpkins randomly on there. And for the pumpkins, I want your guys' idea. So should I put them right here at the front door? I do have the door wide open so the lighting is better. If you hear any like sounds of outside noises, that's what that is. But they are pretty big, like this takes up a lot of the table. So I wanted to show you guys another place too. Here's another option, just like a coffee table setup. I like that it isn't just like a bunch of stuff, it's just simplistic. So I was kind of going for that one too. And here's the last way. I think I'm going to go with this one, guys, in our bedroom across from our bed. So I just have some pictures mixed in here with these flowers. And I think that looks really cute. I love seeing setups like this that are just like a few different things and heights, and it just like goes up and down, but it all will pull together. Like for example, having a picture, a pumpkin and a pumpkin, and then the white flowers and the white on the frame. So I think it all pulls together really nicely. That's my favorite so far, but let me know what you guys think. I'm going to end this video here, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this and that you got some good ideas. If you made it this far, thank you so much for spending the time with me. Write a comment down below. I respond to all my comments. I love hearing from you. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe before you go. I would love to have you. Hit the like button for more fall videos, and I will keep them coming, and the bell so you never miss an upload. Down below is a link for Paige's video that what she did, so definitely check her out. Recent videos, furniture, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!